everyone, I'm Shloka, and welcome to How Big Is It? A small show for big things. Today, the Tyrannosaurus Rex. The Tyrannosaurus Rex, often referred to as T-Rex, can weigh up to 8.4 to 14 metric tons, which is roughly about the same weight as a school bus. When it comes to length, a Tyrannosaurus Rex is said to measure up to 12.3 meters long and between 3.7 to 6.1 meters tall. That's pretty big, but how big is it? Well, here you can see a Tyrannosaurus Rex watching ESTV in our very own ES Hall. Our ES Hall is 6.5 meters high, so the T-Rex is almost as tall. Pop quiz. How fast did the Tyrannosaurus Rex walk? New research suggests that T-Rex walked about 4.6 kilometers per hour, which is pretty much the normal human walking speed. They can go as fast as 27 kilometers per hour, but they naturally walk slow to minimize the amount of energy being used. Well, now you have the bigger picture when it comes to the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Thanks for watching How Big Is It? And keep your eyes wide open for the next episode.